How can you change the bass settings on the iPhone? And let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, you can go to your settings app of the iPhone, and at the bottom of the list, we have a dedicated apps section where each installed app has its own settings menu. And we want to get into the music app, right? Because most likely you're listening to the songs through the music app. And part of this, we have the EQ menu. So this stands for equalizer, and there are more options. Naturally, you can have it set to like turn off, meaning that no changes are made to the songs that you are listening to, but you can also click on reduce bass or increase bass. So these are the options which you can select, and it will make the music sound a bit different. It might emphasize the bass or, lower it down. So this is how it works. If you set the equalizer to be turned off, well, it's going to stay normal or in between these options. So, it kind of works that way. And it is only through the Apple Music. What I've shown you will apply to the music app only. So if you're using like a different streaming service like Spotify, for example, in it there you have more or like different options, but kind of the same thing where you go to your profile settings and then go to the playback and equalizer. So there you can also just change the bass settings, but you also have like a chart at the top which you can control and customize to even deeper level. And it kind of gets the job done a bit more because you can play with it like that and adjust the bass like this, right? So that's how it works inside of the Spotify. So yeah, that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to do what you needed. In case of any further questions, use the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.